I'm disappointed with my game overall, says Shamar Nicholson. Well, to be fair, I don't think you really need to be disappointed, if I'm being honest, because you are one of those guys who actually scored goals. So literally, you were brought there to score a goal, and you did that. You did just that, and we know the factor about missing chances. That's a part of football. That's just a part of football. So I don't really mind that at all. 2 goals out of 3 games, that definitely would certainly means that you are ahead of anyone else. That's what I think, despite many different odds. You you are the one who's on farm. But so people, thank you very much again for joining me. This is the Military Guna TV. I do appreciate, guys. I don't even know how to thank you guys. I don't know how to thank you guys, but I honestly appreciate the fact that you guys are always watching the video. You guys are always tuning in. I really do appreciate it. So, guys, continue to show me some support as I continue to give you guys some great content. So Shamar Nicholson has spoken also, Kemar Taxi Lawrence, about the situation on all the 3 games and how they believe that the Costa Rica game went and what they wanted to do. They literally give us some tactical insight in what they were trying to do in the game. Yeah, we could say we didn't see it, but at least now they would come forward and inform us of what they were trying to do. So guys, this article was in the Gleaner, no, the Observer, I believe. Yeah, so I'm going to show it to you guys right now, and I'm going to read it to you guys so you guys can understand what I'm talking about. So let's start off. On to the next one. The article is published by written by Sanjay Myers, yeah, senior staff reporter Sanjay from the Observer. So okay, so on to the next. That was the collective message from the Jamaican players. I'm not sure. Hopefully, you guys are seeing this thing better than I am. I'm trying to. Good. So that was a collective message from the Jamaican players as they reflect on the point earned in the hard-fought 1-1 result against Costa Rica last Wednesday. The draw gave Reggae Boyz their first point in the CONCACAF World Cup qualifiers after previously losing 2-1 to Mexico, followed by a 3-0 humiliation at the hands of the Panama team at our office, people. At our office. I remember that. Burns. A burning sensation. That burning sensation, people. I'm feeling it. Anyways, in Wednesday's riveting draw at the National Stadium in San Jose, the host who took a 3rd-minute lead through Jimmy Martin's strike held the upper hand for most of the first half. But the Jamaicans, boosted by Shamar Nicholson 47-minute equalizer, were the dominant force in the second half. If not for wayward finishing and poor choices in their opponent's third, in the final third, yes, or poor finishing, Nicholson was among the culprits. Oh God, hey, this man is not easy. Anybody who's writing this article now is taking a dig. He's highlighting some things, but he's also taking a dig. Nicholson is also among the culprits. So listen, people, let me name some of the culprits. So we have Javon East, we have Nicholson, we also have who else? Corey Burke, Junior Flemings. So, yeah, those guys are the culprits. And I didn't say it was the writer who said it, people. The boys would have left the Costa Rican capital with all 3 points. We were the better team on the pitch. We should have taken advantage of it. But it has already passed, and we cannot fix the past. We only can fix what is in front of us. I think if we can play like this, I think we can have a long way to go, says Nicholson, doing in his past match interview. Is in his post match interview. Why is it past? We got a point which maybe in the long run can help us. I think it's important now that we focus on the next games. Yes, it is. This is our first point, which is good. In our first 2 games, we were defeated. So he was the one who scored both goals. We all know that. So guess what now? I am disappointed with my game overall. I'm disappointed with my game overall. That is talk. And as I said earlier in the beginning of the show, I don't think you necessarily need to be disappointed. Football is a game like this. You get opportunities. You get 15 opportunities. The likeliness of you scoring all 15 are not even Lionel Messi nor Cristiano Ronaldo. Ronaldo won't score all 15. Not even those guys. I think those guys will score like maybe 13, 14, or maybe 12, 13. So I'm expecting maybe a young striker like yourself who is still learning your trade, maybe in the region of 5 or 6. That I think that would be basically be the average region. That's it. So the left back Kemar Taxi Lawrence, who delivered the delightful cross for a Nicholson strike against Costa Rica, yeah, said it was a grinding effort to salvage a point from the contest. We gave up an early goal, but we tried our best to dig ourselves out of that hole. We entered the second half and we tried to control the game. We tried to pass around the ball with some kind of conviction and to bring energy to the game. Reiterate the 20-year-old. Overall, it's a grinding mentality that we went out there with. We told everybody to be confident both on and off the ball and drag their defenders in places they didn't want to go. I needed more than 1 point on this trip, but that's what we got. We have to go forward from this, Lawrence said. So I don't necessarily need to get into any more details of what's happening. So both of these guys highlighted the factors of the game, all the things surrounding the game, both Kemar Tax Lawrence and Shamar Nicholson. And as I said, the thing about it is that Taxi Lawrence, literally, the guy played 100 and I think it's 100. Oh my word. I can't even remember. Ooh, 270 minutes. Taxi Lawrence played about 270 minutes. He played in all 3 games. Oh my word. This man is a robot. and he puts in solid performance in all these games. So you can see that level of consistency from Taxi Lawrence. So which is good, which is really, really good. But as you know, the journalists took a dig at the at the strikers who miss a lot of opportunities. Why not? You got the opportunity. Why not take a dig, right? Culprits. Very, very cheeky word. But anyways, people, both these players have literally mustered a goal for us and salvage a point for us. They feel a bit disappointed. So can you imagine the guys who would had the opportunity to make something happen and didn't do that? They must have been extremely distraughted over everything that's happening. So people, I don't think I necessarily need to go any further. Guys, all I want you guys to do, as you said, you can't argue about spilt milk. We have to look forward onto the next one, which is coming up quite soon. That is the most important thing. Games that is coming forward, Honduras, Canada, USA, need to focus on those games because those games are pivotal going forward. So people, as I said, thank you very much for tuning in. Just a bit of information to give you guys. Remember, smash that like button and also subscribe to Military Gunner TV. Guess what? I am out, people.